This is the ZTE Axon 30, and today we will show how you can enable the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the keyboard itself. Next, at the top row of available keyboard options, you'll find this little icon that stands for the clipboard, so go for it. Then switch on this toggle in order for the clipboard to be activated. Next, if you would like to remove any of the elements you have at your clipboard, click on a pencil, select what elements you would like to remove, and then tap on a trash bin. If you would like for something, on the other hand, to be added to the clipboard, just copy basically anything. So I've just copied this set of characters, and once I get back to the keyboard clipboard, I'll see that it has been successfully added as the clipboard's most recent element. From here, just feel free to use any of the clipboard entries you have by simply tapping on this entry that you would like to paste, and it will be successfully pasted into whatever typing bar or typing space you have launched the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.